folks, welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. My name is Stuart McKee and welcome back to another OBS tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at the best websites to use when downloading animated and static webcam overlays for your streams or videos using OBS. We will also dive into how to upload these overlays safely and securely for the best end products, making your videos look professional and flashy. So, the first thing you need to know is what are the best sites to use when looking for free webcam overlays. I have chosen this one site in particular for its easy to use website and best possible selection the internet has to offer when dealing with non-subscription and free services. This website is called Stream DPS and offers a great variety of free and animated overlays, but today we are mainly looking at animated. Once we have the main website page open, along the top go to Free Content and select Free Overlays. Once you have this done, this new page will emerge. These are currently the only free options available on this website, but they are by far the best looking I have found on the internet, so let's browse and choose one we like. Now that I have chosen the one that I like the most, what you need to do is select the option which will take you into the next screen. Once here, if you look on the right hand side, it gives you a link and, equally important, the dimensions which you will need when bringing it over to OBS. Let's copy the URL and move over into our OBS screen. Once here, we need to add this to our source as a browser by selecting Add and moving down to Browser. Next, we need to copy the URL into the box in the options screen that also says URL. Now, just as importantly, we need to see the dimensions quoted on the Stream DPS screen, which for this one is 1400 by 1180. On your OBS options screen, add this in like so. Then we can select OK. As you can see, we now have an awesome new animated webcam overlay, and the next step is to position our webcam feed to fit nicely inside the new overlay. This can get a little tricky, so be patient, and it really is as simple as that. You can add your own text into the little empty areas by simply using the Add Text option on your OBS source, which will work as some nice customizations, which of course, importantly, will be free. I hope you found this video useful, folks. This overlay turned out pretty nice and I'll be using this one moving forward for all of my videos and live streams. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below of this video. And thank you all for your continued support. And as always, folks, thanks for watching, stay safe, and take care.